Hello friend, now I introduce the advanced ventilator for you. You see this screen. You can remove freely. This is expression, this is expression with lock. Nebulizer connector. Here the hand wheel, remove trolley very easily. Here the humidifier circuit. Long arm with check back. Oxygen, air, VGA, USB, for cable, fans, switch. Check here. Just lock. Here is a sandy bag from here. Alarm, freeze. Nebulizer time. Oxygen at 100% time. Lock. This is the knob. I'll introduce mode. Mode, you check many advanced modes. This two mode is no invasive monitoring. Alarm. Saturn. Code. Here is setting area. Here is the monitoring area. Here is the waveform from here. Now we return to standby. Check. Confirm. You see adult pediatric. We can select the mode, the adult or pediatric. Here is unit optional. The new patient. Last patient is the auto memory. First check. Then start. That's all. Thank you.